dust will settle on the road we walk. Silence speaks when the shadows talk. We carry weight we were never meant to hold. Stories of silver and dreams of gold. But the desert wind has no name or face. It moves with ease, it leaves no trace. May every step be eased on the burning sand. The heart is the man, the soul is the land. Look to the sky where the horizons blend. Where the journey begins is where it will end. High above, the falcon circles wide, with nothing to own and nothing to hide. The birds are free because they do not look back. They find their home in the clouds' soft track. We are made of the same wide open sky, born with the spirit meant to fly. The cage is open, the lock was never there. Freedom is the breath, freedom is the prayer. Stop the running, let the world spin by, underneath the vast and ancient eye.